In this video, I'll show you how to use Wordfence to scan your WordPress website for security issues. This is an important step in identifying vulnerabilities and maintaining your site's security. While hosting providers like Hostinger offer basic security checks, tools like Wordfence provide more detailed application-level scanning within WordPress. So before running the scan, I registered for the free Wordfence license, which allows us to use its security scanning features. I'm currently in the Wordfence dashboard, and now I'll go to the scan section. I'll then click on Start New Scan. So this is scanning for vulnerabilities, malware, and configuration issues. Scanning is completed, and in this case, we can see that I have 3 issues that were found on my website. 2 of them are outdated plugins, which is a common security risk because attackers often exploit known vulnerabilities. So to fix them, I'm going to click on plugins. And over here, we can click on update now and update whatever plugins that I have outdated. So going back to Wordfence, going back to our scan results, let's just wait for that to update. Okay, so coming back to the scan results in our Wordfence, the issues have now gone. There is also another issue, which is that one path was skipped during the scan because Wordfence by default does not scan files outside the WordPress installation. This means part of the system was not analyzed, but this is a common setting and not a critical issue. So even a small issue like an outdated plugin should be fixed to improve security. That's why regular scans are important to keep your websites protected. And that's how you can use Wordfence to scan your WordPress site. Uh, in the next video, I'll show you how to fix this third issue, or the issue that was left, which is skipped, with the path that was skipped. But for now, thank you for watching.